What's going on, guys? Chase with Shinefy here. We are on part 2 of the 1,000 Leads a Day series. In this video, we're going to cover how to start getting some traffic with AI-generated videos. If you like this series and want me to keep you updated with more videos like this, please make sure you drop a yes in the comments and like the video. Let's get straight into what you need to do to start driving traffic and generating leads for your funnel. But first, I'll show you some proof that this works. As you see, in just 50 days, I've gotten 49,000 referrals, 172,000 clicks, and 282 customers. It's pretty cool, right? Again, I do not guarantee you anything. Nothing in life is guaranteed. But if you follow the videos and use the system I've given you, you'll start to see leads coming in and maybe even some sales. Ideally, getting set up with a CRM is just the very first part. If I have a landing page and an email automation, that's the easy part. The hard part is figuring out what we need to do to start driving traffic to the funnel. Once we have our funnel set up, you don't really have to do much else. Eventually, you'll start doing manual outreach and sending bulk emails, but you're not there yet if you're just starting out. You don't have to worry about doing email blasts because the automation will do enough. Right now, we need to focus on driving traffic as quickly as possible, probably with something like videos. There are many different ways to drive traffic: videos, SEO, ads, contact form marketing. I recommend starting with video because it requires the least amount of effort and can be automated. As we progress through this series, we'll start stacking different methods. Starting with videos is beneficial because they can run in the background while you work on other strategies. There are different types of videos: long form, short form, and live streams. You don't need to do long forms unless you want to start selling things yourself. Short form videos are great for bringing people in. Long form and live streams are great for selling, but you don't have to make the videos yourself. I make many videos you can use. In the funnel I provide in part 1, you can use my long-form videos embedded on the page, and I'll sell the affiliate for you. Focus on short-form videos for bringing in leads. For example, short-form videos on Instagram under 60 seconds can be used to engage people and generate leads by prompting responses. When we send leads to our long-form video training, which is around 48 minutes, we explain how the system works. You don't have to create these long-form videos yourself. I do it for you. Use my long-form training with your funnel setup. Get set up with your funnel, and then drive traffic with short-form content. There are many ways to create short-form content: making it yourself, using stock video, reaction-style content, or AI-generated content. I'll show you multiple ways to make content, starting with basic AI-generated content. I'm not going to show you how to create social media accounts, as I assume you can find that information online. Focus on generating content for your social media. Get an Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube account, or TikTok. If you already have accounts, you can post these videos there. Start by generating AI content. I built Shinefy to help you automatically generate videos. Shinefy has a 24-hour trial. If you don't like the tool, cancel it. If you like it, keep it. In Shinefy, log in and use the AI tools to create videos. For example, you can take one of my viral videos, copy the link, and use Shinefy to generate a new video. You have permission to use any of my videos. Some AI-generated videos have gone viral and generated thousands of leads and comments. The AI videos do work. For a while, I only posted AI videos because I didn't have time to make them myself. So, basically, when you have credits, it gives you the transcription of the video. You can also turn on the enhancer, which uses ChatGPT to rewrite the transcription, making it more unique. For example, if you click on this option, it'll rewrite the whole thing with ChatGPT, and you can even change the language. Once you have the transcription, you can click on it to make changes. For example, you might change the text to match your website. In the video, we're talking about websites to earn money or generate leads. You can change the transcription to suit your needs. I always tell people that nothing I do is original. It's usually a variation of something else. If you see a checklist like this, you can make your own by changing the affiliate links. You can use my resources as a starting point, just don't pretend to be me. So, if you made your own checklist, you can customize the transcription to match it. For instance, change the affiliate links to your own. Then, use this transcription to create a video. Click on Create, and you'll see options like slide accuracy and video captions. For this example, I won't use captions as I want to show you how to use CapCut to edit the video later. Select the format, like 16:9 for long form or 9:16 for short form, and you can change the image prompts, e.g. hyper-realistic art. You can also choose a voice for the video. You can even use your own 11 Labs account to clone your voice. Now we'll click on Generate. If you select a custom video, you can customize everything, but I'll let ChatGPT handle the image prompts. If you click on Idea, ChatGPT rewrites the whole video, so don't use this unless you want it completely rewritten. Use Script for exact text replication. The system will calculate the accuracy, decide how many credits it costs, and start generating the video. Once generated, you can preview and post it. This is all you need to do to start generating videos. Let's do a quick recap of what we've done so far. In part 1, we set up a CRM with a landing page and email automation to start capturing leads and selling them using an affiliate link. In part 2, we've started generating videos using Shinefy's 3-day trial. We're going to start posting these videos soon. We found viral videos and regenerated them with Shinefy. Next, we need to get CapCut, a free tool that works on Mac, Windows, and online. CapCut will be used after generating content. Download CapCut and open it to start editing your video. I'll show you how to outsource these tasks later in the series, but it's important to learn how to do it yourself first. Download CapCut and open it. Basic edits are optional, but sometimes nice to add extra touches to your videos. Shinefy calculates the accuracy and generates the video. Once the video is generated, you can download it and put it into CapCut for editing. You can use any language for the voices and transcriber. Shinefy has an AI chat feature, ChatGPT-4, for various tasks including language changes. We also introduced an AI search engine. You can share generated videos and images straight from the search engine. The search engine is indexed on Google, allowing you to share and download content easily. Shinefy runs in the background, so you don't need to keep the tab open while generating videos. You can clone your own voice using the 11 Labs key. You can buy more credits if needed. Generating a video costs about 5 credits. Hosting and API costs are high, making the company less profitable, but we aim to provide value through automated video creation. So, this should be done here. Now we have the video. Let's go ahead and preview it to see what it sounds like.
If you're not earning over $1,000 a day with AI, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this video.
Normally, when you add slide animations, these pictures move in and out. Not sure why that didn't happen here? Maybe it was some sort of bug. The cool thing about CapCut is that we can add the animations ourselves. Let's click on Download, go into CapCut, and get started. CapCut is a basic but powerful tool. I edit videos all the time on my phone with CapCut, and my team uses it too. I'll show you some basics. First, go to Audio. We can see the audio is a bit low, so we can adjust it slightly, keeping it just below the orange level. To zoom in, hold Control on your keyboard and use the scroll wheel. If you don't have a scroll wheel, use the minus or plus symbols on your keyboard with Control. To cut and split the video, look for any pauses. Move the line to the pause, click on Cut, and drag out the unwanted part. To play the video, drag the line to the beginning and press the spacebar. Now it's just an image and audio. To add captions, click on Text, then Auto Captions and Create. Adjust the start of the captions to match the video. Change the text color, make it bold, and choose your preferred font. Adjust the font size and position. For animations, click on Animation and choose from various effects. You can also add effects to the actual video. For instance, choose a zoom-in lens effect. You can use multiple effects simultaneously. Let's preview the video.
DairyToolbots.com is a free checklist of hundreds of AI tools that you can get paid to promote.
For different parts of the video, you can add various effects and adjust the text position. Make sure the text doesn't obscure important parts of the video. Sometimes, CapCut may not read captions correctly, so you might need to make adjustments manually. Remember, you can outsource all these editing tasks, but it's good to know how they work. Once you're happy with the edits, click on Export. Choose your settings and export the video. Now, the video is ready to post. Ideally, now the 2 things that we covered, and this is something that you can start working on. If you're watching this series, you can start working on this. Step 1. Getting set up with your CRM and opt-in and affiliate. Step 2. Start generating videos. That's it. That's all you got to start doing. If you start doing these 2 things, you're going to probably start getting leads if you start doing what I'm sharing with you here. Now, one of the things I'll also recommend is that if you do start generating the videos and you have no following, one of the things I'd recommend is join some groups that you can start posting in. Let me actually show you this here. Go to Facebook, type in something like AI, and go to Groups. There are all these different groups with 296,000 members, 6 million members, 246,000 members, right? You can post reels in groups. One of the fastest ways I've ever seen people make money is they went into a group and either made a post or a reel and talked about whatever they were talking about. For example, how to earn money with AI, how to generate leads with AI, or anything relevant to the group. Join this group. And while many groups might not let you post, if you join enough groups, one of them will probably let you do it. So I could join, let's say this group or another one, and then the video that I just created with CapCut, I could go to the group, and this is a way to access a bunch of followers without having followers. So I go here, drag the video in, and boom, there's the reel. Then I can say, comment with the word AI if you're interested in learning more, and you'll get a lot of people DMing you as well. That's pretty much it. Now, I'm not going to do this just because I don't know this group very well, but you can start posting these videos, and you'll start getting people DMing you and commenting on the post. Especially if you post in multiple groups, you'll get people seeing your stuff. Pretty cool, right? So everything to this point is free. Part 1, when I show you how to get set up with the 30-day free trial to high level, it's free. If you don't get any leads in high level, and you don't make any money with high level, cancel the trial. I also give you my snapshot when you get the 30-day trial to high level, which includes all my emails, landing pages, everything. Part 2, which is today, I show you how to get set up with Shinefy, which also has a 24-hour free trial. If you don't like the videos and you don't like the platform, cancel the trial. Everything to this point has been free, so you can't say I'm just trying to sell you something. I'm doing all of this for free right now. If you like the stuff, go pay for it. If you don't pay for it. It's optional. You don't have to pay for anything right now. If you're starting out and don't have any money, everything to this point has been free. Everything in this entire series, I'm planning on making free or as free as possible, because I'm really just showing you all the different tools and automations I use, and pretty much all of them have free trials. So if you watch part 1, which shows you how I promote an affiliate to a high level, this whole series shows you how I went from earning $500 a month to around $10,000 a month with High Levels Affiliate Program. I'm giving you my exact step-by-step for promoting High Levels Affiliate Program. Now, can you use it for another affiliate? Yes, totally. You can use any tool on this checklist and promote pretty much any of these as affiliates. I recommend promoting what I'm promoting because I've already done it all for you. The reason why I'm doing this is so you don't have to guess on any of this. All you have to do is load in my templates. For high level, I already have the landing page built, the emails built, everything built. So you just go and change this to your affiliate links for the videos. I already built all the videos that are getting traffic to this landing page. All you have to do is regenerate them with Shinefy or recreate them. All I'm doing is giving you the plug and play. I'm not going to say, oh, well, go choose your own thing. I'm literally just giving you copy and paste templates. I think it's easier to do that because that way you don't really have to think about what email to write or what landing page to make based on the affiliate you're promoting. I'm just giving you everything that I'm doing, so you can just copy and paste all of it. Very, very simple. High Level is a great affiliate program. You get a 40% commission on it, and it's something that every beginner needs. All right, if you like these videos, let me know. Respond with the word yes in the comments and leave a like on the video. I'll do more of them. Until then, happy money making. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.